Hi, my name is Kim Dvorak, and I'm here at Custom Glass Industries. We do monolithic glass, which is flat glass. We also do bent glass, and we do laminated glass, and we can do bent laminated glass. On top of security, we do annealed and we do tempered glass. Here is our final piece, and as you can tell, it's perfectly clear, there's no bubbles, and it's a finished quality piece of glass that is now laminated. We're located here in Southern California, right in Anaheim. If you're ever around, want to stop in, please say hello. We service business to business for any of your glass needs. If you want to go ahead and give us a call, if we can't service you directly, we'll make sure we can connect you with somebody who can.